Hello everyone, welcome back to TechBro. Today we are diving into an incredible AI writing tool that's changing the game for content creators and marketers. If you have been struggling to create SEO optimized content, then SEO-writing.ai might just be the solution you have been looking for. Let's explore how this tool can help you generate high quality articles, blog posts, and artificial content with just one click. You can see this article. I generate this outstanding piece using SEO writing with just a few clicks in under a minute, making content creation quick and effortless. SEO writing is an advanced AI writing tool designed to create SEO optimized content in minutes. Whether you need article, blog post, or affiliate content, this tool generates well-structured content that's ranked on search engine, and the best part is it's available in 48 languages, making it perfect for global creators. So the link of this website is available in the video description. So time to put on your seat belts. Let's get started. Get started by setting up SEO writing. First, click the link in the description. Go to the sign up page. Once you are there, make your account. After logging, you will see the interface like this. Here is the simple dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see options like one-click blog post, bulk article generation, humanized tools, and more. With blog post, you can write an articles on a relevant topics that provide useful information and advice. Product roundups, create a list of the best products in a category with the link to buy each and Amazon. And with product review, you can write an independent review of product list workflow. It can quickly generate Amazon product list and how to guide help people use a product by showing them how it works step by step, and simple editor with the basic editors where you can add example for AI to follow and generate content. Let's start by creating your first blog post. Click on the one-click blog post option to generate a full article with minimal effort. The first thing you will need is the main keyword. The keyword is essential because it's forms the foundation of your blog post. For example, I will write here make money online. After entering keyword, you can either type in a title you have in mind or click generate title to let SEO writing suggest one. You have set your keyword and title. You need to choose your language. SEO writing support multiple languages, making it great for global audience. Then choose the length of your article. You can select extra small, medium or large. And then select the tone of your article depending on your audience. You may want a friendly, professional or inspirational tone. Let's choose informational. Then you need to choose AI model. For this demo, we will go with GPT-4. Then you can select whether the article is written in first person, second person or third person. I will choose first person. And then you need to choose a target country for your article. This is especially helpful if you are writing for a specific audience. For example, I will select the United States. Next, make the article sound more natural by adjusting how conversational it is. Next, you can add specific information such as company name, brand name, or services there should be mentioned in the article. Now let's move on to the media hub. SEO writing has a bulk media hub where you can generate a power images to include in your blog post. You can choose the number of images, their style and size. You can also add your brand name. You can also add YouTube videos to your post and control how many videos are included and where they are placed. The platform will automatically add your main keyword as the alt text for the first image and will suggest relevant keyword for the other images. You can control how many videos you want to add and how they appear in your post. SEO writing also has tool to optimize your post for search engine. You can either manually add your keyword or use NLP keyword generation, which automatically analyzes your blog topics to find the best keyword. You can choose how you can want to introduce to the structured option, includes a question based, fact based, story based or emotional based. I will go with fact based. Then here we have additional elements. You can add conclusion tables, heading to make your post more complete. SEO writing can automatically scan your website and add internal link to other pages, helping improve your site's SEO. And it can also add external link, pulling data from trusted websites through its deep web search feature. The outline editor lets you create a personalized structure for your article. If you use WordPress, you can even connect SEO writing to publish your post directly without leaving the platform. Once you have set everything up, click the run button and SEO writing will generate a complete blog post in minutes, complete with headlines, images and captions. We also have bulk article generation. If you need multiple articles, you just need to enter a set of keywords and SEO writing will create them all at once. You can also use the humanized tool to rewrite your articles, improving readability and helping your Google ranking. That's it. With SEO writing, you can go from the blank page to fully written blog post in just a few clicks. If you want to try it out, link is available in the video description. You can also use coupon code TechBro25 for 25% off. There is also free plans that allows you to generate up to 5 articles. So there you have it. If you are looking for an AI powered solution to create high ranking SEO contents quickly and easily, SEO writing is the way to go. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.